This girl has 392,000 followers on Instagram and earns over $10,000 a month selling courses and subscriptions. The surprising thing is, she's not real. She's just a creation of AI. You can also create your own AI influencer for free and earn thousands of dollars a month with minimal effort on your part. That's exactly what I'll explain in this video. I will show you how to create an image for your own influencer, how to make him do anything you want, and how to make money from this, and without any experience. First, go to the Gemini website, click on the Gems button, scroll down a little, and you'll find a button called New Gem. Click on it, and here, just enter any name you want. Then scroll down a little, and paste this code right here. You'll find it in the description of this video. Finally, click Save. Now you've created a tool on Gemini that can take any image and generate a similar one while changing the facial features. So now we need to find a real person on Pinterest and try to create a character that looks similar in style and movement, but with a completely different face. You can choose any boy or girl you want, depending on your niche, and we'll recreate something similar. Now go back to Gemini, open the tool we just created, and upload the image you selected from Pinterest right here. Don't type anything and press send. Now it will give you a long code. Don't worry, it's very simple. Just copy the code, go to the Flow website, now paste the code you copied here, select the exact same settings, and wait a few seconds, and you'll get an image very similar to the one you chose from Pinterest. It will give you 4 images, just choose the one that looks best to you, and download it. Now you have your own AI influencer, created completely for free. Now we've reached the most important step in this video, how to animate this character and make it do anything you want. I'm gonna show you exactly how in our neighbors video. First, you need to find a video of a real person doing the exact movements you want. For example, a girl dancing to a specific song. Copy the link of the video you want to recreate, paste it into this website to download it. Now open the video and take a screenshot of the first frame of the video. After that, go back to the Flow website. Put the image of your AI influencer that you created, add the screenshot you took, also click this prompt, and don't forget to use these exact settings. Now it will give you an image of your character in the exact same pose as the girl in the video you want to recreate. This is so we can get the best result during the animation. Now download the image and go straight to this website. You'll sign up using your Gmail account, and it gives you the ability to create 2 videos for free every day with each Gmail account. Now upload the image we just created to Flow, add the video you chose, place this prompt right here, and then press send. Wait about 3 minutes, and you'll get a video where the girl you created is moving and dancing with the exact same rhythm and movements as the video you chose. You can post this video on Instagram and start getting thousands of views right now, and you can put a link to your own digital product in your bio and make thousands of dollars from it. If you want me to explain how to make even more money from these videos, and just comment below.